Hey everyone! So a lot of you ask me, can I pour over a pour? Yes, you can. The one thing you want to make sure that you do is clean all the silicone off from a previous pour and wipe it down with alcohol. Or you can gesso it as well, but you want to make sure that you get the silicone off. So I'm just going to do a quick flip cup to show you. I'm going to flip this over because the metallics will make my camera get the heartbeat. So I'm going to start with a little bit of black, and I'm just going to do some fall colors. I'm going to follow that with copper, some red ochre, some yellow ochre, a little bit of white, some orange, some gold, and some olive green. And I'm going to try to hit that again. So this is Creative Inspirations Black. Ew. A little goob there. Soho Red Ochre. Artist Loft Copper. Lucas Yellow Ochre. Soho Cad Orange. Craft Smart Gold. And Soho Olive Green. That should be plenty of paint to cover that canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick flip cup for you. All these paints do have treadmill silicone in them. And I did not spray my cup because I'm bad. And I'm just going to do a quick flip. Now because the canvas already has paint on it, you want to make sure that you pour enough of that off so you don't get any cracking, because it won't be able to breathe through the bottom of the canvas. So I'm just going to start tipping. I always move my paint back to the middle so that it all runs at one time. I'm really loving this here, so I'm going to go ahead and tip some of this orange off. Let it flow. And I'll bring it back up. So let that rest for a second. I'll wipe my hands. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on that bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Check out all of our links below as well. We have an Amazon shop where we sell all the supplies that you need for acrylic pouring. And we also have supplies there for resin work as well. We sell our paintings and jewelry on Etsy. And we have prints available on Redbubble. I really love that black in the middle right there. And we also have a code for Stone Coat Art Coat Resin. And that code is below. It's CWA all in caps. It'll get you $30 off an $80 order with Stone Coat. Just use it at checkout. So I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. I really like the colors. Orange was very prominent. And we hit our 40,000 subscribers. We're on our way to our 50,000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for more information on that, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.